is April or 2010, and I'm making video riding METRA from Roselle to downtown Chicago, Union Station. The battery's already fucking down to out of or percent. Oh God, I have to worry about these batteries. Interesting riding the tron in the snow though. It makes for a pretty tron ride. They said there was only going to be an inch of snow.
The next stop will be Bensonville.
Oh, I know someone who lived in Bensonville who was transgendered, which back in the aughts, and I don't care if he was transgendered, but he turned out to be a fucking... He was cool. He appeared to be cool, but he turned out to be a fucking douchebag. And a liar. And he told me that I'm crazy for not wanting to live in Florida.
From what stop? 7:25.
He told me that I should move to Florida. I hate it when people should on me. And his fucking cunt for a mother said I'd be so happy living in Florida. And that would turn out to be a bunch of bullshit. Interesting tron ride in the snow. Last year it was raining and I rode to Kenosha, Wisconsin. It snowed like this in Kenosha, and then a couple inches came in Chicago, and nothing like this would happen in Chicago in the middle of April. This is the town, and I know that transgendered person was bullied by a bunch of fucking filth when he was going to school. I definitely had empathy for him on that way. I was bullied by fucking conformist fucking filth when I was in school. Reminds me of Columbine. When people get even. Well, they did. Well, sort of. Well, I don't want to go into that. Oh, but he was a shit for brains for telling me I should move to Florida and shooting on me. He said Illinois is so horrible with corruption, and yeah, like it's not in Florida. No, it's a million times worse there. It's the first time I got riding METRA from a car that doesn't have the green tinted windows. They're taking away the green tinted windows. The green tinted windows were fucking cool. Proviso is the biggest. Yeah, when I was 10 years old, I rode my bike through the freight yard. Or 11 years old. And the fucking police stopped me, harassed me. That's good. I rode my bike to the... I thought it was unusual for a kid to want to ride his bike through a freight yard. Well, that's because I had Asperger's. I didn't know I had Asperger's. Well, I was back in the days before I had pubic hair. I don't know what that means. I talk about interesting things when I make a Tron video. Going under. I think that's going under Manheim Road. I'm not sure. Oh God, I hate having to worry about these fucking batteries. I don't know. And then when I was making a driving video yesterday, it crapped out on me and it said the temperature was too high. Cannot record temperature high. I never had a chance to Google it, but what am I going to do anyway? It was with the sun hitting the phone, so I'm hoping I can get my videos in without a problem. If it's gonna do that shit now, it's gonna be impossible to make videos in that phone in July. It does that shit in April.
The next stop will be Franklin Park. Now approaching Franklin Park.
Yeah, bad things that kind of fucks up the view of the snow, but it also makes for a unique, interesting Tron video. How bad this snow is going to get. It hasn't let up yet. I'm stranded in that parking lot. Got to worry about things. Well, I hope they plow it. Oh God, I hope they plow it.
The next stop will be River Grove.
Oh God, I don't have to worry about getting stuck in the snow. I can tell there's gonna be no trons going down those railroad tracks because the lights are all red. As I get closer to Chicago, it also looks more interesting. I think that's the Des Plaines River. Could be. I think it's the Des Plaines River.
Now approaching River Grove.
More interesting as you get closer to Chicago. Houses look more interesting. Yes, it is difficult to believe that it is April or 10 looking at that. I'm going to stop this and make a part E of this video.